by so slowly. It's kind of lonely here on my own. I miss our picnic table when we were able to share secrets alone. We were drifting apart, but I should have guessed that from the start. It's fine, it's cool, you've grown up, it's what you're meant to do. But did you have to leave me behind? Oh, me, it's you, it's what you do. It's in your nature to leave me behind. I miss you like I miss the clouds on a sunny day. I miss you like I miss the sun on a cloudy day. You're the star, so close, yet somehow so far away. It's fine, it's cool, you moved on, it's what you're meant to do. Did it have to happen that way? Oh, you took my heart, tore it in two, without even glancing my way. It's fine, it's cool, you moved on, it's what you're meant to do. But did it have to happen that way? You took my heart, tore it too, without even glancing my way. Silence.